my intention was that as we prove inequalities using Lagrange's mean value theorem, many inequalities can be proved even using Cauchy's mean value theorem. And in the last I will conclude with the higher mean value theorem, that is known as the Taylor's mean value theorem. So, my next slide is regarding the Taylor's theorem, that if you have a function f and if this function possesses higher derivatives, first derivative, second derivative, n minus 1 derivative, and if all these n minus 1 derivatives are continuous on closed interval a to a plus h and differentiable on open interval a to a plus h, then I have this conclusion that my f of h, f of a plus h can be written as f of a plus h f dash a and all this. And this theorem is having the remainder after n terms, that is h raised to n upon n factorial into nth derivative at a plus theta h, and here theta is in the interval 0 1. Actually, because of the time limit I have not discussed the theta form of all these theorems, and this is the more general theorem, that is why this is the generalization of all the theorems. So, this was the. So, I will conclude here with Taylor's theorem, and we have seen all these applications as well as theorems. We have started with Rolle's theorem, and then we will see the Lagrange's theorem, its applications, its geometrical meaning. Then we have seen the proof of the Cauchy's mean value theorem, its geometrical meaning, its applications, and we end with the higher mean value theorem, that is the Taylor's theorem. And this Taylor's theorem is also having many applications. Many polynomial functions can be expressed in the powers of some factors like x minus a, and sometimes the functions may be handled, it may be difficult to handle the function, but if you express the function in the powers or in the polynomial form, it would be easy. So, this is the applications of the Taylor's theorem, that any function you can express in the powers of x or x minus 1, x minus 2, in general in powers of x minus a. So, we will end here with Taylor's theorem. Thank you all.
Sandhan, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.